TCFDUSD, will the next move be a breakout or a pullback? The 60-minute candlestick chart for TCFDUSD reveals a current price hovering around 62,268.85, which is close to the 50-day moving average, indicating consolidation at this level. The 20-day moving average shows that the price is currently attempting to move above short-term resistance. We can see that recent trading volume surged as the price approached 62,338.72, suggesting a possible breakout, yet the low volume in subsequent hours may indicate a lack of strong buying pressure to sustain upward momentum. Historically, TCFDUSD reacts to moving averages, with the 200-day average acting as a crucial resistance level, currently around 63,497.85. The RSI for TCFDUSD stands at 44.65, suggesting that the coin is neither overbought nor oversold. In past instances when TCFDUSD's RSI hovered around the 45 level, it experienced gradual accumulation before testing resistance at 70 RSI. If the RSI continues to rise toward 50, it could signal a move upward. Conversely, a drop toward 30 would suggest a bearish trend. RSI changes must be closely monitored as past data suggest that sharp changes near this level have triggered price moves for TCFDUSD. The stochastic oscillator for TCFDUSD is currently at 65.50, indicating a neutral zone but leaning toward the higher end. This suggests that TCFDUSD may be nearing overbought conditions but has not fully confirmed a reversal. Historically, when the stochastic has reached above 80, the market has experienced selling pressure, but until then, upward momentum can continue. Based on previous data for TCFDUSD, when the stochastic was near current levels, it continued to rise before finally turning bearish after entering the overbought zone. The MACD line for TCFDUSD currently reads 184.67, with the signal line slightly higher at 214.29. This slight bearish divergence suggests caution, as momentum appears to be weakening. Historically, TCFDUSD has reacted strongly when the MACD crosses below the signal line, indicating potential bearish movement. However, in past cases, as long as the MACD stayed above 150, TCFDUSD managed to hold its ground before making another attempt at a bullish crossover. A decline in the histogram could confirm downward movement. TCFDUSD's Bollinger Bands indicate that the price is currently near the middle band, with the upper band at 62,664.43 and the lower band at 61,620.40. This positioning suggests that volatility is relatively contained, but any movement toward the upper or lower bands could signal an impending breakout or pullback. In previous instances, when TCFDUSD touched the upper band, volatility spiked, and prices saw significant moves either upward or downward. With the price currently nearing the middle of the bands, we may see a consolidation phase before the next big move. Analyzing TCFDUSD's position against Fibonacci retracement levels, the price is currently between the 38.2% retracement at 63,010.29 and the 50.0% level at 61,971.86. Historically, TCFDUSD has found strong support at the 50% retracement level, and any breach below this level could result in a drop to the 61.8% retracement, near 60,933.43. However, if TCFDUSD manages to hold this level, there is potential for a reversal toward the 23.6% level at 64,295.13, which has been a key resistance in past movements. Looking at the daily candlestick chart for TCFDUSD over the past year, the coin has experienced several highs and lows. The most notable low was around 57,571.72, and the highest peak over the year was near 66,372. These fluctuations have been accompanied by notable volume spikes, particularly in periods where TCFDUSD was nearing resistance or support levels. The average volume over this time suggests that TCFDUSD sees increased trading activity around significant price moves, with higher volumes often preceding a change in direction. From a long-term perspective, TCFDUSD's weekly candlestick chart over 3 years shows key levels where the coin faced resistance, such as 66,372, and support levels, like the 57,571 mark. BTCFDUSD has demonstrated a consistent pattern of rising to these levels before facing resistance, often accompanied by increased volume. Over the last 3 years, the coin has struggled to break above these resistance points, but each time, support near the lower band has been strong enough to prevent further decline. This long-term analysis suggests that BTCFDUSD is in a consolidating phase before its next significant move. General review: analyzing BTCFDUSD's indicators, we see a mixed bag of signals. The RSI, stochastic oscillator, and Bollinger Bands all point to consolidation, while the MACD shows weakening momentum. Fibonacci retracement levels suggest a potential support area, but failure to hold could lead to further declines. The overall trend seems neutral to slightly bearish in the short term, with long-term support levels providing some relief for bulls. It will be critical to watch for a breakout or breakdown, as trading volume is likely to surge in either case.